Do you suffer from chronic pain? Have you gone from one specialist to another, enduring multiple rounds of painful and invasive treatments and spent thousands of dollars only to find yourself still in pain? If so, you are not alone. At ASTR, we empower you to take charge of your health by providing you with a new treatment approach that actually works. With our easy-to-use toolkit and step-by-step online home treatment programs, you have everything you need to quickly and gently break down scar tissue and fascia restriction, while reducing the inflammation that often causes chronic pain. Our programs teach you how to easily use our tools for fast pain relief, while addressing the root cause of your pain, including proper nutrition, proper posture, body mechanics, ergonomics, lifestyle changes and exercises, all from the comfort of your home. Take charge of your health today and become part of ASTR's community of empowered patients. For more information, visit astarinstitute.com or call 888-210-2787.